Hello viewers, in this video tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a new assessment for your students. So when I log in using the login IDs and OTPs, this is the very first screen which will appear to me, and at the bottom of the screen you can see that there is an assessment tab as well. When you tap on that assessment tab, it will take you to the assessment window, from where when I click on this create new assessment button, I'll be directed to the assessment creator. From here I can select from all these options, like this assessment can be a daily type, weekly assessment, monthly assessment, quarterly, half yearly or yearly assessment. Supposing if you want to create a monthly assessment now, so you will just have to tap on the monthly button. Furthermore, you can select from this drop down list as to what type of assessment you want to conduct. It can be either an objective type or a mixed type assessment. So you can import both objective and subjective questions in the mixed type one. So I'll click on the mixed type assessment and further I'll click on the next button. From where I will have to select the class and the sections that I want to conduct this assessment with. So I can select multiple sections over here. I'll click the confirm button and further then I will have to select the subject that I want to conduct it for and the units that will appear in the questions. So I can select multiple units over here and I will click on this confirm button. Furthermore, when I click on the next button, I will have to give this a name. So let's say this is an essay 1. Furthermore, after this I will have to select from these reporting criteria, on the basis of which a detailed report about the learning outcome of the students will be generated by the system. So let's say for the time being I'm selecting all the three reporting criteria and I will just start writing my questions now. So I'll tap on this button, and very similarly as we were creating an assignment, I can add questions to this particular assessment. So I can select from objective and subjective type. Let's quickly import an objective type question, which will be an MCQ type question. So let's say my question is, what is the color of sky? And I will have to enter the options now. So let's say red, blue, green and yellow are my options over here. Once I'm done entering the options, again I will have to select the correct option from all these. So I'll just tap on the left side of this blue radio button and I'm done selecting the correct option. Then I'll click on this next button and I will have to associate the weightage of this particular question in terms of marks. So let's say this is a 1 marker question, and I'll click on this done button and further I'll click on this next button. Now I will have to select the difficulty or the reporting criteria that I had selected. So let's say I select medium type. Let's say I classify this question as a medium level difficulty question. On the basis of Bloom's taxonomy, through this question I want to challenge the remembering aspect of the student's learning. So I'll just click on this remember button and remember gets activated automatically. Through this question, furthermore, if I want to see whether one particular subtopic is clear to my student or not, I'll just select from the drop down list which unit this question corresponds to, clicking on next. Furthermore, I can select from this list of subtopics. If you want to add a subtopic, you can just tap on this button, this plus button, and you will be able to enter the title of that subtopic. So let's say my subtopic is ABC 1 2 3 for example. I'll click on the done button and the new subtopic has been added to the list. So I'll just select this subtopic and I'll click on the next button. So I can see ABC 1 2 3 is the subtopic which has been associated along with this question. I'll further click on this done button and my first question is prepared in this manner. Very similarly, if I want to import a subjective type question too, I'll just quickly click on the subjective type button, and after that I will enter my question over here, like let's say write a short note on freedom struggle. Once I do that, I can import an image from my photo gallery or I can take a picture right away, or I can import a PDF file along as well using the attachment pin. I'll click on this next button and I'll have to enter the word limits. Let's say the word limit is 250 words. I'll click on this next button again and I'll give the marks. I'll allocate marks to this question. Let's say this is a 4 marker question. I'll hit the done button and furthermore I'll tap on this next button. Again I will have to select the reporting criteria. Let's say this question is a hard level difficulty question. It challenges the application aspect of the student's learning, and furthermore the subtopic that I can select from this in a very similar manner. After selecting all the reporting criteria, I'll select this done button and I have imported 2 questions now. Again, following the same procedure, I can either save it by tapping on the save button, to add this particular examination into my drafts. From where if I want to make any changes to it, I'll just tap on this edit button, confirm all the details, add more questions, subtract a few, we can do that. If I'm satisfied with the assessment, I'll just tap on this save and publish button. I'll set the examination date and time in this manner. So let's say I want to conduct this examination on the 7th of June, and the examination should be getting active at 10 a.m. in the morning. So I'll just quickly adjust the timings. After doing that, I will have to enter the duration of the examination. So let's say I want to conduct it for 30 minutes only. I'll enter the duration of the examination and I'll tap on the done button. When I click on this publish now button, my examination will get saved and it will also get published with all the students. So in the active assignments, I can see essay 1 has been published and the exam timings as well, which have been stipulated by me. So in this way, you can create a new assessment using the mobile phone application.